What's up, YouTube? So, directrc is celebrating their first anniversary with two special builds by Furitek, the F8 118 platform. One is called the XCompetition, which is the one I ordered. The other one's called the Ultimate, which is pretty much like a jacked up F8 118 that they was already selling with aluminum frames, next racing shocks. You can check it out on their website, directrc. So like I said, I wanted the more buggy looking competition style looking one, so I ordered the XCompetition version. I don't need no big 12-inch fancy knife to open up a box. Okay. So as you see, it's in a Fury wagon, FX 118 box, 118 first 118 scale brushes, which is the other version is basically a Fury wagon jacked up with a lot of aluminum upgrades. Just box out the way. So they already cut open, not by me. So obviously they're recycling their boxes. They probably opened it up to put the special build inside here. Wait a minute. Okay. Furitek and Hobby Plus. Because the Furitek Electronics, Hobby Plus frame, axles. Might also be the Furitek frame, but collabo. Now I see a bumper here, some more springs, charger, mirrors on the side, lug wrench. Okay, wait a minute. So it's a kit, but yet, oh, you gotta put it together yourself. Okay, I didn't know that. Maybe I should have read. Also comes with the Furitek battery, and they also include this 600 milliamp 35C battery. Okay, so 2 batteries. Okay, so I got a Fury. You can just and a remote, but you know me, I'm not going to use the remote anyway. Okay, so I didn't know it was a kit. You put it together yourself. So here's the Fury wagon, which I actually don't have a Fury wagon, but it's not going to be in this form for long. Okay, so to give you a Fury wagon, they give you the kit to build it yourself. No problem. Because I plan on doing a bunch of upgrades anyway. These trucks are good out the box. A lot of them are. But if you're like me, you like to upgrade things anyway. Okay, this one has the Venom motor, which is 2S. It should be the Lizard Pro ESC. I think it has built-in Bluetooth. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But this truck's been around for a while, so you could look it up. The specs or whatever. Okay. It does come with the stock shocks. I wasn't sure about that. So, Fury wagon, which was already out before. And it give you the kit to build it up yourself. Okay, this part I didn't know. I thought it was already together. Motor mount, well, skid plate, screws, all the hardware put it together. Blue shocks. Commercial had red shocks, but these are blue. I'm gonna order some red shocks. Here's the frame. The rest is just hardware to put it together. Here's the links, metal links. These are steering links. The rest is a 4-link system, so all your links for that. battery strap. These like support rods that hold the two frames together for stability, whatever. Spacers. Most likely for your shocks, keep your shocks away from the body or the frame so they can articulate and compress smoothly. I really wish there was red shocks, but I will be ordering shocks. I'm not going to put blue on here. I already got a scheme in my mind going on, but okay, rod ends, metal drive shaft, which is good. Thought this came with, no, it come with plastic. Okay. So they're throwing metal drive shafts. Here's one that's longer, so it's the rear. Short is up front. Okay, 13, 14. Should be 2mm hardware. Because most of everybody, except for SCX24 uses, well, and except for Traxxas. Traxxas uses 2.5mm. SCX24 uses even 1.4, 1.6, but tiny puny screws. I hate working with them. Some carbon fiber. And the one's a battery tray. The other one's probably the ESC plate. I think the ESC actually mounted to the roof in the commercial they have on YouTube. Here's the roof. Okay, I'll probably attach the picture of the one that they're showing in the video. Because right now on the website, I think I bought the last one. On the website, I don't see it up there anymore. But the video's still on YouTube, so I'll even post a picture here, I'll put the link, but I'm going to show you what I thought I was actually getting. I am getting it. I did get it. I just thought it was already put together, so no big deal. Because like I said, I have plans for this anyway. So you get a Fury wagon, brushless. And you get the kit to make it into a buggy. All right, so I'll probably get on that this weekend. I'm about to get online now and try to find the shocks. Or maybe I have something I can switch the shocks with that already has red shocks. I'll figure that out. But I was going to be showing you a little bit something different, but there it is. Just a servo mount. Yeah, the on-axle front servo mount, which also the battery attaches onto the front servo mount, which I don't think I'll be using. I'd rather tuck my battery somewhere else. I know in the fronts for better balance, blah, blah, blah. I don't run competition, I run for fun. And most of mine are pretty good, so I'm going to stick to what I've been doing. But that's it, folks. The limited edition Furitek FX118 XCompetition. Peace.